This week the price started with a bearish candle, which we can see this on the chart here, where the price has dropped from 1.09860 to around the demand zone, around this horizontal support 1.08846. In the previous week analysis, if you check this, you will see that I have mentioned that the price could return back down and reach this area, and that is the reason why the price has dropped on the lower side of this area, because the price has bounced from this area around 1.10755 supply zone, which has pushed the price down. This engulfing bearish candle was a trigger that the price could return back down, but I also have mentioned that the price probably could stop here and not reaching lower levels, because this is only a small sell-off. So on a Tuesday, the price has returned back up, returning again to 1.09860, testing now as a resistance, and from there the price has stayed until the Friday, where the price could not reach higher level, which we can see here, and also with the wicks the price could not go above this supply zone. So this area around 1.09860 was the supply zone where the sellers have waited, but we can see that the price didn't have, in these two candles on a Wednesday and a Thursday, the body could not return back down, which means the buyers were much stronger. And this was visible on a Friday, where the price has managed to go above these three candles body, open and close, and also almost closed the Friday above these all candles body and also the wicks. This is suggesting that the price has found great support around this area here, which is a previous confluence of resistance, and now it's acting as a confluence of support. Now let's see on the weekly time frame how this looks. On a weekly time frame, we can see, just a minute, that the price has formed this candle without a candle body, where we have open and close at the same price. So we can see also on a weekly time frame that the price has returned back down after a strong bullish pressure and also this uptrend. The price did not return back down, which is a great signal, which means the sellers that are here are not so strong to push the price down, but the buyers who are pushing the price up are much stronger and they're holding their positions. Even also we can see that they are pushing the price even higher, which is a great signal for the buyers. Now we can see also that the price could not reach higher levels than this one, which is 1.0999, which is almost, we can see 1.1, the round number, but we will see for the next week what can happen. This is also a great signal, because this is suggesting that this almost could be a bullish pin bar, but not on the right spot, but it is a great signal for now. Let's see on a monthly time frame what we can see it. On a monthly time frame, where we have still 1 week left, we can see that the price has continued to move up, and it has also reached this area. There is no too much difference, because this week was open at the same price and also closed on the same price, so there is no changes on the weekly time frame here. But we can see and we can tell that currently how the month looks. It is very bullish, where the price has pushed from 1.07825 up to 1.09860, which is also 1.1 around number. So let's see what will happen for the next week, and we will see how this month will end, which is a great signal for the price if the price stays above this area. So for the next week and also for this month, for the next week, we can say if the price continues to move up and closes the price above this area, which is currently a confluence of support. Currently on the monthly time frame, it's still confluence of resistance, because the price did not reach higher levels and closed above and confirm it by returning back down and bouncing again up. So we will wait on the monthly time frame what will happen. But this month, the critical level for the price is to stay above 1.09 area here, which we can see it on the chart, and also if the price manages to reach higher levels, and that means around this area 1.101, we can see that this area, it is a pretty big confluence of buyers and sellers. So if the price manages to go above this area 1.102 on a monthly time frame, this will be a great signal for the buys on a monthly time frame. And you can see here on a monthly time frame that this area 1.1068 is a critical level where the price in this month has reached, and it has bounced from this area, which means there are much sellers waiting there, but also the buyers who have exited their trades, who have pushed the price from bottom here to the current market price. On a weekly time frame, we can see that the critical levels are still here. The price is trying to make a breakout and make a confirmation of this support area here, which is currently holding the price, and the critical level is here. We can see 1.1047. This is the area here, which is a critical on a weekly time frame to close above to confirm that the price will continue to move up and to the next one, which is 1.112, and then after that here 1.11871, which is a monthly resistance. We need to pay attention that the price on a daily time frame will need to push higher, but on a weekly time frame we can see that there is a possibility that the price will reach again this area and bounce down to reach around this, will act as a demand zone where the buys are, and from there to push to higher levels. If the price doesn't manage to go above this area, then it could stay here for a while between 1.09860 and 1.10755. This is the area here, which we can see that the price in the past has done the same for several weeks. For the 2 weeks the price has stayed here, and then on the 4th week the price has dropped down. So there is a possibility that the price could make the same scenario here, waiting for a week or two, but if the price goes above to this 1.1049, it will be a great signal for the monthly time frame that the price has managed to go above one of the critical levels for the buyers. If the price doesn't manage to stay inside or go above, there is the possibility, and that is the price will go down, and that means this area here that has held the price this week, which is a demand zone here where the buyers are waiting. For me, this looks very strong, and there is no selling pressure that is pointing that the price could go down. So this area for the buyers and also for the bulls is pretty strong, and I do not see the price will continue to move down. But if they manage to close below that, one of the critical levels for the price is this area here around 1.086. If the price stays above this, it is very good, but if the price goes down and closes below that, the next level where the price will go is this area here, which is 1.08. It is also a demand zone where the buyers are waiting. So for the next week I am expecting the price to continue to move up or stay inside this area here without going down. On a daily time frame, this looks like the price is trying to push above 1.09860 and to move to the upside, making a breakout again and then confirming this breakout. This breakout on this week was not confirmed because the price has returned back down, and we can see the price reach this area, but for now the price, as it looks, will try to push to the higher levels and stay above. Just a minute, let's see how this looks. Okay. To change this one, it has moved slightly. You can see it here, the price, that this uptrend should be like this. Okay, now it's much better. This is the confluence of support that is holding the price. As it looks, the price will continue to move to the upside, and the critical level currently for the buys is this one, 1.1045, because this is the last price for the candle body that could not be broken to the upside. The wicks are here, which is a great supply zone where the sellers are waiting, 1.10755, and we can expect that the price will bounce again from this supply zone to the downside when the price reaches again. On the downside, if the price goes below that, critical level that the price needs to break below is this one here, because we can see that this is the critical level for the price. Here we can see confluence of sellers and buyers, then we have it here and also in the past here. So if the price goes down, this will be the first support, a strong support that will hold the price. If the price goes below that, the next level that the price needs to break below is this one, 1.0855. But if the price goes to this level, then we can expect that the price will drop slightly more down around this area here, which is currently 1.08. So for the next week, I'm expecting that the price will continue to move up. This is the market, how this looks. We can see this uptrend that is pointing to the upside. The market is holding and it is following this uptrend. So there is high probability that the price will continue to move up. This is here a monthly uptrend, which is currently acting on a daily time frame as a support, but we need to see the price moving upwards to make this monthly, on a monthly time frame, be confirmed. So for the next week, I'm expecting that the market will stay bullish as it is right now. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.